Guys, I'm gonna show you my favorite summer salad. It's so easy to make. Anybody can do it. And it is such a cool thing to bring to a barbecue, a party, whatever. Let me show you. First, you start with a bowl of cut up watermelon. Then you take limes. I love key limes. If you can find them, they're really tiny little limes like this. I slice them in half and just squeeze all the lime juice. Then take feta cheese. I made the salad last night, which is why the feta is already open. And you take a whole, I just squeeze it like just by the eye, like a huge handful into the salad. Black pepper. I love this to taste. I use Kalas Greek salt. I'm Greek. This is my favorite salt if you can find it at a Greek store. There's something about the taste of this salt. It is fabulous. Put some salt on. Mint or spearmint. You can use either. Let me wash it. Hold on. Squeeze it out. And just take little chopped up mint pieces, sprinkle on your salad. So your dressing is key lime juice or lime juice, whatever you have. That's it. It's so simple. It tastes like a dessert. If you want a more limey taste, use more limes. If you want a more minty taste, use more mint. The salt and pepper to taste really, really adds a lot of flavor. Don't use the dark pieces of mint. I don't use those because they're discolored. And then mix it all up. So if you feel like you need to add more of one ingredient, do that. That's fine. And then let me taste. Oh my God. It's so good.